Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do custom CSS on Wix website. So let's get started. So in order to do that, we just need to first create a website. Now from this one, just click on this plus icon, which is the Add Elements button. And then from in there, you should be able to see this Add Elements. Under here, you can see this Embed code. So all of this are CSS. We can use Embed HTML, Embed a site, custom element. You can also just choose a single video players as well as this agents button, title verification, all of these things right here. Now, if you want to use a custom code, you can actually just click on this one. But if you haven't upgraded your plan yet, it will actually direct you to the website or the dashboard of your website. And then from in here, it will ask you to actually upgrade your plan. As you can see, the add custom code option is grayed out. This because you need to upgrade to connect your own domain and start adding custom code. So if you click on this upgrade right here, it will direct you to a new window wherein it will ask you what kind of Wix plan you are trying to get. Now, in order to do custom CSS on the website, this is actually limiting because you need to do it and upgrade your plan first in order to do it. But there are still some options, viable options that we can use, which is this embed codes that they have right here. So on the embed codes, you have popular embeds, like for example, this embed HTML that can add widgets and apps, as well as this custom elements that can display custom elements using snippets of code. So you can just choose this one if you want, and it will actually lessen the coding that you can have. But actually, CSS is a very advanced tool that you can already use if you're on an upgraded plan. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.